Hello, today I want to talk about how to best level out your workpiece when you work with your workstation. One of the things that is sometimes a little bit annoying is to use a spirit level when leveling out your workpiece. It's kind of a little fiddly, and also it's not that precise to look at the bubble and try to judge if it is totally in the middle. Luckily, there is a better way for you to calibrate and to level out your workpiece. There are tons of free spirit level apps for iOS or Android. When using this, you just place your phone on the workpiece and then move it up slowly until it's leveled out. The precise digital numbers help you to understand when it's leveled out, and this particular app I'm using here on iOS even makes a sound when the workpiece is leveled out. That way you're faster and more precise. I'll leave you a couple of links in the description in case you want to download one of those apps. That's it. There's nothing more to share. I hope this little trick makes your life easier. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you around.